you have to be very sure what subjects you are going to take, because the day you get the email that subjects are going to open and so date at so and so time, you should be the first one to get them, because all the slots are filled up in just 30 seconds and there's so much competition for them. You have to be really very fast. So if you ask about availability, that depends on the professor as well. So sometimes the professor says that I need only 15 students in my class, then the chances of you getting the subject is really very less. And if the professor says I want 40-50 students, then you might get those subjects. I actually didn't get a subject because of this. So we had to get up at 6:30 in the morning. All the slots are full in the 20 seconds. So I could do nothing. It's full, that's it. So but then the thing is, when the college starts in the first week, that is a time when you can actually sit and see the lectures, observe what are they teaching you, and you can decide whether you want to take the subject or not. Do you like the professor, or do you like the way he's teaching? And if you think you don't want to take the subject, you can drop and take some other subject. So in the first week, a lot of students drop and pick subjects. So if you think that you didn't get the subject you wanted, then that's not a problem, because once the college starts, there are chances that you might get it. So in the first semester, a lot of students take data mining and analytics for business intelligence. So this is a foundation course. You have to take any one of them, but there is a very heavy demand for these two subjects because they are really very good subjects. Apart from this, we have a very high demand for machine learning, algorithmic machine learning, game theory, and data structures and algorithms. So for business courses, in the first semester we had subjects like introduction to project management, marketing management, marketing research, IT strategy. Personally, I feel that if any business subject has to be taken, make sure that you take marketing management in the very first semester, because that is a prerequisite for a lot of courses. So we have one subject, supply chain solutions using ERP SAP. So there are two subjects for that, SAP 1 and SAP 2. So if you are a person who is really interested in supply chain and want to make a career in it, then you can take these subjects, and after you complete both the subjects, you get a certification from SAP itself. So there is no concentration as such, like no one takes any particular concentration. Everybody is more inclined towards analytics, because course is pretty much inclined towards data analytics and business analytics. Mostly the courses which people take are Python and statistics courses. So GPA is not at all a problem here, because it is really very difficult to get a grade below B. For example, we had a subject for data science. So this professor used to teach us Python, and the way he used to teach us Python was he used to give us assignments, and he used to ask us to learn it ourselves. So we used to learn it ourselves and figure out a solution to that. Like initially we used to think that what kind of professor is he, like why is he not teaching us and why is he giving assignments? But then later on, as the course proceeded, we understood that his assignments were so amazing that we actually learned Python using those assignments.